Today I have a fun science experiment for you guys to do that's really simple and using ingredients that most people have at home. So first of all, we have baking soda. This is a cup and a third of baking soda. This is a basic ingredient. Now we have a cup of tartaric acid or cream of tartar. That's an acid. So you might already know kind of what we're doing because we've got a basic ingredient and an acid ingredient all coming together here. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Any oil will do. Baby oil could do. Avocado oil could do. You just want a liquid oil, okay? I'm going to mix that together a little bit. Don't worry, it's not going to really come together yet. And we're going to add some essential oil just to make this more fun. I've got some vanilla and I've got some sweet orange. These can be bought at like QFC over in their bath products. We're going to make this creamsicle scented just for a little more summer fun here. This is not critical to the experiment, but you guys see what I'm making, you'll understand why we're adding a little bit of essential oil for fun. Okay, and then we're going to add some food coloring. Again, not critical to our experiment, but this is going to make it a lot more fun. So you're going to add 15 drops of food coloring. Again, not critical, you don't need to count. Okay, I'm going to start mixing that together. It's not really going to come together quite yet. We're going to start mixing it anyways to kind of disperse the ingredients. Now here's where you're going to start to see some stuff happen. We are going to take a spray bottle of water, just plain old water, and we're going to spray. Now we want to not add too much water at a time because did you see it foam up a little bit? Here, I'll do some right on here. When you get the cream tartar and the baking soda wet together, they react and they fizz up. So if you guys have ever seen like a science fair project volcano with baking soda and vinegar, it's the same idea. When the two come together, they fizz and neutralize each other. Okay, and keep adding. We want this to be kind of wet, so it'll come together and clump together a little bit, but not too wet. When we think it's coming together and it'll clump pretty well and it's pretty well mixed, here's the fun part. Okay, now you're going to put it either, if you have some silicone molds or silicone cupcake liners, those work really well. We're just going to use actually a Dixie cup, a bathroom cup, and we're going to put some in. And we want to tamp it down, we want to compact it. We want a nice, hard, solid lump. Now, I don't know if anybody's figured out what it's making, but if you leave this to sit for a day, I filled that maybe half full, leave this to sit for a day, next time you guys take a bath, this is a bath fizzy, so you've just made your own bath fizzy, so you can have a nice fizzy bath. If you want a fizzier bath, it's up to you. We like just a little, we like to make little fizzies so we can have more baths and have more of them to use, but if you want a little bit more in there, you can. But these are sold for quite a lot and they're basic science, so it's really fun to make, and then you can have a really cool bath.